The MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. It is primarily used by the United States Air Force for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, but can also be armed with missiles and bombs for offensive operations. The drone is operated remotely by a pilot and a sensor operator, who can control its cameras, sensors, and weapons systems from a ground station. The drone's long flight endurance and ability to operate in dangerous or remote areas make it a valuable tool for military and civilian applications. The MQ-9 Reaper is a large unmanned aerial vehicle, also known as a drone. It has a wingspan of 66 feet 20 meters and a length of 36 feet 11 meters. The drone weighs approximately 4,900 pounds to 1,223 kilograms without any payload. Its maximum takeoff weight is around 10,500 pounds, 4,763 kilograms, and it can carry a payload of up to 3,750 pounds, 1,701 kilograms. The MQ-9 Reaper is primarily used by the United States Air Force and is capable of conducting various missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. The MQ-9 Reaper has a variety of sensors and cameras that enable it to perform its reconnaissance and surveillance missions. These include multispectral targeting system. This system includes a high-resolution electro-optical and infrared camera, which allows the drone to capture high-quality images and video in both daylight and nighttime conditions. Synthetic aperture radar. This radar system provides the Reaper with the ability to see through clouds and darkness to detect and track targets on the ground. Lynx multi-mode radar. This radar system provides the drone with ground-moving target indication and synthetic aperture radar capabilities, allowing it to detect and track moving vehicles and other targets on the ground. Electronic support measures. This system enables the MQ-9 Reaper to detect and locate electronic signals from other aircraft or ground-based sources, providing situational awareness and threat detection capabilities. Signals intelligence. This system allows the drone to intercept and analyze electronic signals, providing valuable intelligence on enemy communications and electronic warfare capabilities. These sensors and cameras allow the MQ-9 Reaper to gather a wide range of intelligence data, making it a valuable asset for military operations and intelligence gathering. The MQ-9 Reaper is designed to have long endurance and can stay in the air for extended periods of time. The drone is powered by a Honeywell TP331-10 turboprop engine, which allows it to fly for up to 27 hours without refueling. This gives the Reaper a significant advantage over other unmanned aerial vehicles and traditional manned aircraft, which have much shorter endurance times. The long endurance of the MQ-9 Reaper enables it to conduct extended surveillance missions, provide persistent reconnaissance, and maintain a continuous presence in a given area of interest. This makes it a valuable asset for military operations, border patrol, and other intelligence gathering missions. The MQ-9 Reaper has a maximum speed of around 300 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour. However, its typical cruising speed is around 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour. When conducting reconnaissance and surveillance missions, the drone's speed can vary depending on the mission requirements, altitude, and other factors, while the MQ-9 Reaper is not designed for high-speed operations. Its long endurance and versatility make it a valuable asset for a variety of military and intelligence gathering missions. The MQ-9 Reaper is a versatile drone capable of carrying a variety of weapons to support its missions. The number of weapons it can carry depends on the specific configuration of the drone and the mission requirements. The MQ-9 Reaper can carry up to 4 Hellfire missiles, which are air-to-ground missiles designed to engage a variety of targets, including armored vehicles and buildings. In addition to Hellfire missiles, the Reaper can carry other weapons such as GBU-12 paveway to laser-guided bombs, GBU-38 joint direct attack munitions, and GBU-49 enhanced paveway to bombs. The exact number of weapons that can be carried will depend on the specific mission and the weight and size limitations of the drone. It's worth noting that the MQ-9 Reaper is primarily used for reconnaissance and surveillance missions, and its weapons capabilities are typically used to support those missions. The use of weapons by the drone is subject to strict rules of engagement and must be approved by the appropriate authorities. The MQ-9 Reaper is primarily used by the United States Air Force, but it has also been sold to other countries for military and intelligence gathering purposes. The drone has been used in a variety of locations around the world, including Afghanistan. The MQ-9 Reaper has been used extensively in Afghanistan for both reconnaissance and strike missions in support of U.S. and coalition forces. Iraq and Syria. The drone has also been used in Iraq and Syria to support the fight against ISIS, conducting reconnaissance missions and striking high-value targets. Yemen. The MQ-9 Reaper has been used by the U.S. military to conduct targeted strikes against militants in Yemen. Somalia. The drone has been used to conduct surveillance and reconnaissance missions in Somalia to support the African Union mission to Somalia and U.S. counterterrorism efforts. Other locations. The MQ-9 Reaper has been used in other locations around the world, including Libya, Niger, and Pakistan, among others. The MQ-9 Reaper's long endurance, versatility, and ability to operate in a variety of environments make it a valuable asset for military and intelligence gathering operations. However, its use is subject to strict rules of engagement and must be approved by the appropriate authorities.